if you want to do simulation, you have to consider this one. Okay, this one assembly, this one is for simulation, and this one is for if you want to repeat, you want to what we call capture, capture in that case you have to use this one. Okay, so most of the time you're going to use this one and this one. These two. Okay. Okay. So let me start with this one first. Okay. Let's see if I do this one for you. Just introduction for you. Anyway. Okay. Let's see if I want to create this one. This leveling device, let's say, if you want to create leveling device, this one. First of all, you need to have 4 these, 5 of these in your database anyway. Okay. Let's say if you want to assemble this one, it's better to see which one you want to insert first. Okay. Let's say if I want to insert this one first, I want to bring in this one. We have assembly, what we call workspace. Okay, let's see. If I want to assemble this one, okay, beside this one, assembly, right? This one. Okay, let me. Say if I put this assembly as a test delivering device, let's say. Okay, so you come in this one. You see, look at this one. You say, look, now we are in CATIA assembly design, right? This one, and we are here. Right? The name of our assembly file is test_level device. This one. First of all, you need to insert this part. Let's say I want to insert this one, right? I want to insert this one. Okay, so this is bank workspace, right? Or insert this one. The name of this one is we call base, leveling device base. I just store this one. Just look at this one. Okay, how to insert this one? I use point out this one. Use the button mouse, insert. You see, there are existing and part design. Existing part or existing product are the same. Existing part, right? You can have assembly, sub-assembly as well. Assembly we call product. Okay? So in this case, we want to insert part over base, right? We have to use, I want to insert existing product or part, this one. Okay? They're asking for name. Like this. And then search. See? I have some of these, you see, I have this here, my part, right? I already have this one, you see. I just insert this one, just select this one, that's all, boom. Now I'm bringing, you see? See? With compass, I need to compass this one. You can move this one. Okay, if you want, you can move. Actually, let's say if I want to move this one, I can, just move this one, right? Is move by pointing select the axis, right? This one, right? If you doesn't want to move, you just select the middle, this one, and bring in away from this one, put in there. Okay, so you have this one placed into this test leveling device workspace, right? This one. Okay, first of all, you see, look at this one. As I mentioned, you need to add joint, right? You need to add joint. One thing that I think I recommend you is you fix at the first component. Let's see. I want to fix this one. I want to fix this one first. Okay. So look at this one. คุณพยายามดูผมนิดนึงนะ Look at this one. You see. You have this command. Now you are in assembly. You have this command is for create joint. This one for create joint. This one. Under assembly inside this one create joints. Right? Look at this one. You have this. Many of them. Right? One is that we use quite often is fix. Fix. This one. Engineering connection or joint. Right? If you want to fix this one, we select this one. Fix. Okay, I want to fix this one. Fix this one. Okay? So once you fix, you see it's automatic create engineering connection here. And tell you that fix leveling device base. This one is fixed. Okay, this one already fixed, and you have a red icon here. It means that you have an update. If you want to let this thing on, you have to update this one. Update. Update. Okay, you can update this one. Okay, have this one. Okay, this one. Now it's fixed now. Okay, it's fixed now. Okay, if you want to unfix it, it's also possible. You just select this one and delete some of this constraint. Some of this connection can be deleted, can be added. Okay. Let me delete this one. Delete. Okay, now it's gone. You can add again. Fix this one. Select this one. Okay. Update. You have this one. If you want to move this one, you see, if you want to move this one, you can bring this compass, right? Do not. I bring this compass. Move attached to the part that you want to move. Okay, now you cannot move because you fix, right? Let's say if I delete this one, now it's not fixed. You bring this one attached to this, and you can move. You see, you can move, right? Okay, so bring back this one. I want to fix again. Fix this one. Okay, update. See, this one already fixed, right? Next, you need to bring which one in, right? Let's say if I want to bring this one, we call this one called a sliding wedge. Sliding wedge, right? This one. So I just do again. Test leveling device. คุณดูตามผมดีที่สุดนะ Just see what I'm showing you. I want to bring one more, right? I have to be here. Insert. Insert existing product. This one. And if you know the file names, right? You have level. Sliding wedge ก็ได้ sliding. Okay. Okay, this one. Sliding wedge, this one. Just bring it. See? Nice. Attached here. You can move up and down, you see? You see? You can rotate, whatever. Right? Okay. 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 If you want to move again, you have to attach this one. Right? See? Okay, so that's the way to do it. I can bring, I can bring the other one. If you doesn't want to define a joint, you can. That's no problem. I can bring another one. Is this one, lifting wedge, right? It's existing product. Level. This one, leveling wedge. This one. Okay. So just bring this one. Okay. Okay. So you have this. I can bring another one if you want. This one. This one we call alignment plane, right? Here, do again insert. Existing product. This one. Label alignment plane. This one. Just select this one and bring in this one. Okay? So you have this one. Let's say I want to move this one and just this one up. Okay? Next, you want to create joints between this one and this one, between this part and this one, and also maybe this one and this one. Okay? Or this one. Okay? This one is a little bit complicated. Let's see. I want to add, let's see. If you look at this dimension, okay, that one will be attached to this one. Slide around this one. Right? That one attached to this one. Slide around this one. Look at this one over there. The dimension here between this to this is 38. Right? Look at this one. It's 28. But between this one, you have 76. Right? Between this one, you have 76. Right? So you allowed to have gap between both sides 1 millimeter. Right? You can have gap between both sides 1 millimeter. Right? And the other one, you want this surface and the surface below this one. See? This surface and the surface below this to be coincident, right? To be this one and this one to be coincident. So in this case, you need to create two constraints. One is the one that you want this one have gap between this one along this, it because sliding wedge. Prismatic joint. Because this one will slide along this one. Right? This one. And this one also coincident this one. Okay? So if I want to do this one, okay, let me show you this one. Okay? Let me show you this one. Just one. and the rest I will show you later. Just give you idea first, okay? So first of all, you have this one, right? This one, fixed. Next, I want this one, this surface, and this surface have 1 millimeter offset, right? This one, this surface, and this surface 1 millimeter offset. This surface and this surface coincident, okay? So in that case, look at this one, okay? I want to create joint now. I'll do that. Just go here. You see there are many joints here, but I don't want to use this one. I want to define by myself. I want to define it by myself using engineering connection, right? This one. Okay. Now it look like this one. You have this menu, this one. Okay. We want to create by ourselves. We get user-defined joints, right? First of all, I want this one, this one, and this one to be offset, right? Offset 1 millimeter. In that case, you can use this one, offset this one. You see, do this one constraint. This coincident, no, this is a contact. Coincident, offset, right? You have some more as well. Okay, so in this case, you want to have offset. It means add constraint offset. This one between this, the first one will be moved to the second one. First one, this one. Okay, so you have offset here between these two faces. Look at this one. You see this connection type is changed to prana automatic. Look at this one. You see. Previously user defined, right? Now you assign this one, you change to prana, right? No, that's okay, right? You need to add one more. This surface and this surface will be coincident, right? So I would like to add one more. So coincident this one. Okay, between which one? This one and this one. See? Now, it changed to prismatic joint. Change to prismatic joint. Okay? At first you assign offset. Assign coincident between face. It's automatic change to that prismatic joint. This is a prismatic joint. The prismatic joint needs what? Some parallel, right? And the other one is coincident, this one. Okay? So look at this one. So it said okay. You have user define this one, right? Okay. Boom. They said you would like to have a crash analysis or not? Yes. Yes. Okay, so you have this one, you see? See, this is a primitive joint. Now you can move this one. Let's say you have moved this one. You can move this one along this. You see? You cannot move along this one. No way. They allow you just only this one. Okay? Okay? That's the way to do it. Okay? That's the way to do it. So you do all something like this for different parts. Okay? Okay, so that's the introduction first. Okay, now I let you to do it. Let's see. I would like to do this one. Now, I would like to do this one. This is a simple one. Okay, let's see. This one. Just do only 4 bar, this one. Okay? First of all, you need to create this link. ต้องสร้างลิงก์อันนี้ขึ้นมานะ right? Just only one link. And this one can multiple Jews. All of them are the same. All of them are the same. Okay? So, okay, let's see. You create this one. Okay, simple one. You have this profile, this one. Okay, create this profile, right? This one. Okay, and yeah, just to fill it. Yes, so make it look nice. This one, okay? Okay. First of all, you create this one first. Any dimensionality, I did this one in like 300 AD. The width of this one is 30, right? You create this one, yeah, just simple one. Okay. Let's say if you have this one, we call link lot. Let's say B6, right? Let me show you how to do this one first. Okay. Okay. Let's say you have this one. Okay. We call link lot, right? I can close this one. Okay. First of all, start with after you create that lot, you start assembly design. Say I call test 4 bar. The SMB, right? This SMB, right? Look at this one. I just insert that one. Insert existing product. We call link, right? Link lot, this one. Insert this one. Select this one. Incoming, right? This one. Okay? Actually, okay. You can fix this one if you want. Okay, I fix this one first. The first one should be have one part fixed. Okay, let me fix this one. I said this one, fix this one. So you look at this one, you see. Now, oops, sorry. Fix this one. Okay. Look at this one. You have link lot. This one is fixed. Right? This one. Next, I insert the same one. Insert existing product. Link lot. This one. The old one, the same one. Okay. Now here. You look at this one, you can move this one, rotate this one, right? This one. Okay? Okay, this one. Okay. So look at this one now. You have two, right? Link lot, this one. Now I want to set the constraint, right? I want, actually, I'll do that. You want okay, you want this center and this center will be coincident, right? This center and that center will be coincident. You want this face and this face to be coincident as well. Union, and the other side, this face to be coincident as well. Okay? Okay, so look at this one, you have this one, you see? The engineering connection, right? This one. Coincident, this one is coincident. Coincident between which one? The first one will be moved to the second one. Okay, next, another coincident, this one. This phase and this phase, right? So coincident again, this one, coincident, this phase and this phase. Okay, so you have this one. Okay, have this one. You want to check clash or not? Yes. Okay, this one. In that case, you can arrange so that it can be easier to do. Okay, so this one, you have this one, right? Next, I would like to bring in another one, right? Same, insert existing product. My link lot, this one, the same one. Okay, over there, right? This one. Okay. The same. I want to connect this one and this one. Connect this one, same, right? Engineering connection, right? Coincident. This, you just select the surface, right? You have center line, come on, right? Select the surface, select this surface, right? This center, the center line will come out automatically. This one. Okay, next, another coincident. This one, coincident. This space and this space, right? Okay, so they change to level joy. You see, look at this one. So check crash or not? Yes. See, so you have in this case level joy, this one, level joy, this one, right? Okay, right. Next, I bring in the same one again, right? Insert existing product, this one, right? Living log, this one. Bring this one. Okay? Now you can have this one. See? See? Okay. I can do this one. First of all, align this one and do this one. Similar level joy, right? This one and this one is level joy anyway, right? So we have this one. Engineering connection, this one, right? Coincident, this one. Select this one. Select เลือกผิวเนี่ยนะ this one and this one. Okay. Coincident between this space and this space. Okay. And this one. Okay. Yes. See, so you have this one. Right. Next, do the same for these two. Okay, constraint, right? These two, right? You just do connection this one, engineering connection this one, right? Coincident this one between this and this, okay? And this, okay? And surface coincident between surface, this surface, and this surface, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. This is one after you update. Like this one. See? Okay. Now it's possible now. If you want to check this one, you just move your compass to one of the link. And you can rotate this one. It should be like this. In that case, now is step 1 already finished. All the connection. Okay. So in this case, you look at this one. We have fixed link lot 1, right? Look at this one. This is fixed, right? This one is fixed. Look at engineering connection. This one is fixed. Revolve. This one revolve between what? Link lot 2 and link lot. If you can see, you can move this one. 6.2 and 6.1. Right? This is a link lot. This one. This one between this and this. Okay. This one between these two, and this one between this one. Okay. So you have actually 4 joint here, plus 1 fixed joint. So you have totally 5 in this case. Okay? You want to check motion. You can move this compass. You see, if you select this one, it means that you attach this one to this one. Move this one. If you select this one, it means that you attach this one to this one. If you want to undo this one, undo. Okay, so try anyway. I think I should try to create a lot. This one. Okay. Try to create this one. Okay. And save into your workspace whatever name. You can use link lot, whatever. This one. Okay. After that, try to use assembly model. This one. Okay. See? Let me tell you a little bit about this one. Let's see if you have this one. When you submit your work, when you when you submit your work, in this case, you need to submit 2 files in this case. This is an assembly file. Test underscore 4 bar assembly file. And link lot also you need to add as well, because test 4 bar they don't have link inside assembly. They have only all the constraint. So you want to submit this one, you have to submit part as well as assembly file as well. Okay? And if you modify this one, if you modify your part, it will affect your original one as well. If you modify the lot, it will affect this one as well. They have some tie together between assembly and the part file. Okay? Okay. ลองดู